little stop here. I was just over at the Super Kmart here in Warren. There is the Kmart, as you can see. But as I was about to leave, I saw this. Wasn't quite sure what it was. I haven't lived in this area now for 19 years. It looks like it says Grace. I'd have to go back through some of my old footage to see if I have any pictures of this, but I really don't know what this was. And there's not even any doors on the front of this, like they're doing something to it. So I just wanted to take a quick look inside and see if we can figure out what's going on. Whole bunch of equipment in here. Can't really tell what it was, but it's all torn up in there. Whole bunch of cherry pickers in the back. I don't know if you can see those. Scissor lifts, really. But yeah, as you can see, it's a mess. Just really don't know offhand what it used to be. Well guys, that was just a quick stop. I'm on my way to my next location. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.